Amazon's Echo devices are some of the most popular smart home controllers in the market, and the 4th generation Echo Dot is no exception. With this, not only you can listen to your favorite music, talk to your voice assistant, but you can do much more than that. Unfortunately, most of the users will know the basics and cannot get the most use out of it. That's why in today's video, we will discuss some of the best Amazon Echo Dot tips and tricks to increase your user benefits. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. First of all, when you set it up for the first time, by default Amazon names it for you. But you can give it a brand new name to make it your own. To do so, simply go to the device settings, tap on edit name, and then change it to your liking. Plus, you can also change the wake word for the device. For that, head to the device settings again, and then wake word to pick a new word from Amazon, Echo, Alexa, or computer. Now that you have set up your device and made it your own, it's time to talk with it, right? But what if you don't want to speak only in English and rather use French, Spanish, Italian, German, or other languages? Don't fret about it, as Echo Dot also supports a multilingual mode where you can have it ready to listen and respond in 2 different languages. To enable it, go to the language settings and choose another preferred language with the default English. Next up is enabling follow-up mode to make your conversation with the Echo Dot more natural. For example, when you want to ask something further after a response without using the wake word, you can enable this. By doing so, it will feel more like a normal conversation. Go to the device settings, scroll down to follow-up mode, and then switch the toggle on to enable it. Moreover, if you have more Echo Dots in your house, you'll be able to talk and listen to what's going on in the other rooms by using the drop-in option. But if you simply want to make an announcement, there is another option called Announce right by the drop-in. This can be an ideal way to announce that dinner is ready, bedtime has come, or a variety of other family events. All these options can be found easily by going to the communicate icon on the bottom of the Alexa home screen. If you don't have a Fire TV Cube with a built-in Alexa, don't worry, because you can connect your Amazon Fire TV or Fire TV stick to the Echo Dot. After doing so, you'll be able to ask Alexa to turn on or off the TV and search for your favorite movies by genre or even actor. For instance, if you ask Alexa to show you movies with Leonardo DiCaprio, and his entire collection will show up. Pretty awesome, right? Not only that, but you can also use your Echo Dot as a Bluetooth speaker to listen to your favorite music and TV shows by connecting it to your phone. Just simply say Alexa Pair or Alexa Bluetooth, and then go to your device's Bluetooth menu and try to find Echo Dot from the list. After that, select it to pair and you will be good to go. Now whenever you want to connect it to your phone again, just say Alexa, connect it to my phone, and Echo will connect your phone, supposing your phone's Bluetooth is on. Next on the list is to use Spotify, Apple Music, or other platforms as the default music providers. By default, Echo uses Amazon's own music service, but it's easy enough to change that to the service you're already using. First, link your account, and then in the music and podcast settings, choose default services and make sure your preferred service is selected. Did you know that your Echo can learn about great Amazon deals by Echo Dot? All you need to do is ask for it, and your device will read off several Amazon Prime's exclusive deals. Then, you can use it to select the deals, purchase the items, and track the delivery of the product. Plus, when your shipment arrives, it can give you a notification by lighting up the LED indicator. You can also clear all the notifications, just ask for it and it will do that for you. Another great thing about the Amazon Echo Dot is that you can control all of your Alexa-enabled smart home accessories with it. For example, if you've got Philips Hue or Ring smart lights, you can activate lighting and adjust settings with voice commands. Besides, if you have a smart doorbell that works with Alexa, you can easily respond to the visitor without having to open it first. Last but not least, you can always have a little fun with Echo Dot as well. The virtual assistant Alexa has games, jokes, and lots of Easter eggs like Alexa, open the pod bay doors. Or Alexa, what's the first rule of Fight Club? Or Alexa, I'll be back. And so on to fill up your boots with the Echo Dot. So that was the best useful tips and tricks that will expand the usability of your Amazon Echo Dot. These abilities allow you to use the Echo Dot for multitasking purposes rather than being just a lazy, obsolete speaker. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.